Welcome back. While our e.search parenthesis is great for finding the first pattern, often you need to find all occurrences, or you need to strictly check if the string begins with a specific pattern. Today, we cover two other critical functions, our re.findall parenthesis and our re.match parenthesis. 1. Our re.findall parenthesis, finding all matches. If your goal is to extract every single piece of data that matches your pattern, findall is the function to use. Unlike search, which returns only the first match object, findall returns a simple Python list of strings containing all non-overlapping matches found in the entire string. This makes it perfect for data extraction tasks. 2. Our re.match parenthesis, matching only at the start. The match function behaves like search, returning a match object or none, but with one critical difference. It only attempts to match the pattern at the very beginning of the string. If the pattern is found elsewhere, match will fail, returning none. This makes it ideal for strict validation, such as checking if a file name starts with a specific prefix. 3. Summary of core functions. To summarize the three search functions. To summarize, know your goal, search for the first, find all, or check the start. Our next lecture 24.05. Substitute. See you there.